Hey, what is up, guys? I am abeerrao. Welcome to my channel abeerrao, and I just want to show you this Craigslist clone that I have built using Flask and the Django framework. Let me just take you through the code real quick. There's nothing fancy here, just your normal Django file. The only thing new which I've used is BS4 Beautiful Soup. That is for the web scraping that will be done by this application. So what I'm doing is I'm giving this base Craigslist URL for the Los Angeles site, and the query will be what we take as an argument from the user, and then I just use Beautiful Soup to go through each and every result, beautify it, and display it on my own website or little web app, you could call it. Let me just run this. We do Python manage.py run server. Okay, ignore this, and if I command click there, it has taken me to my web app. Now we can search for something on Craigslist. Let's say we want to search for a TV. We click on the search, and it does take some time, but here you go. These all of this you can get here, the price, the what you call it, the description, the image, everything. And then if you click on the image, it takes you to the actual Craigslist website. Let's go back, and as you can see, it's looking better than Craigslist. Let me just show you. Like, this is Craigslist. Okay, if I search for TV, look, this is what it shows me. It's very unorganized, and mine just looks more aesthetic. I've added these little icons, and there's the about page, which is like basically the same. Okay, so that was it for the Craigslist clone. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are brand new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.